Today I'm going to show you how I installed my diesel parking heater in my boat. First I made a frame for it like the one you see here. Before we continue, let me show you how I make the frame. First I'm going to cut out the bottom piece where the exhaust and intake are. This side of the heater needs to be pointing down in order for the glow plug inside to face the right way. I actually messed up on the first one I made, and I cut out another with a longer hole in the middle to make sure the wood is far away from the exhaust pipe. Now time for a test fit with the base plate. You want to make sure you keep the exhaust away from the wood. Now we are going to go ahead and mount the heater to the base plate. Don't forget to drill pilot holes so you don't crack the frame when you mount the plate. I am measuring and cutting out some 1-inch strips for the top and sides. Don't forget to sand down any rough edges. Go ahead and mount the legs on now. I first mark where they go and then drill pilot holes. the top, we're going to measure how high we want it and use another 1-inch strip from earlier, cut down to size. I mounted the top a little higher than the heater to make it easier to mount the frame and slide the heater in later. It also comes in handy if you need to remove the heater for service later. Now all that's left to do is cut off the excess wood sticking up, and you're done the frame. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next episode where I mount the frame and start installing the heater.